In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the top windshield seal where the roof line meets the windshield on a Jeep Wrangler. So the seal is right here, and on both sides, passenger and driver, there's a little plastic clip. I'm going to use a pair of just needle nose or a body tool, whatever it takes to pop this up. Just wiggle it and pull. Just like that. Do the same to the other side. We're just going to lift up and unpull the glue and the seal. Toss it aside. So the best way to get rid of anything sticky is a heat gun, because it heats up the old glue and lets you peel it. I'm just using a plastic body trim tool. That way I don't damage the paint, and I could take a rag after with some rubbing alcohol on it and clean the area. So all this residual, I'm going to take off with penetrating spray. Like anything that has a petroleum base will get the rest of the stickiness off, and then we'll clean it with parts cleaner or like a rubbing alcohol, and we'll get all this gooey old glue right up. So before I install the new one, it comes with new plastic tabs on both sides, and this is double-sided adhesive like tape, double-sided tape, and the red has to be peeled off. So I'm going to peel it off just a little bit, and then I'm going to bring it up and line it up, putting that tab right in where it goes, pushing down on it. Then I'm going to follow the steel bracket, pushing all the way down, all the way across. Make sure that plastic is right there and should line right up and push right in. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.